Are you annoyed with the ads on Eco Show and want to turn them off? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Turn off ads on your Eco Show via settings. You can adjust your advertising preferences on your Eco Show via the Alexa app or online at the Alexa privacy settings. On the Eco Show device, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on Settings. Select Home and Clock. Next, select Home Content. Scroll down and toggle off each option except for the ones you want to keep. You can also toggle off Rotate continuously. Method 2. Turn off ads or notifications in the Alexa app. Launch the Alexa app on your mobile device. Tap on More at the bottom of the screen and select Settings. Select Notifications, then choose a feature or service and use the toggle to turn notifications on or off. Method 3. Manage interest-based ads. Open the Alexa app, head to More, then Alexa Privacy. Select Manage Skill Permissions and Ad Preferences. Scroll down and toggle off the button for Receive Internet-based ads from third-party skills and content providers on Alexa. And there you have it, the methods to turn off ads on your Amazon Echo Show device. We hope the methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned? Click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.